Aloha everybody and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 149 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Ready? Beach Walks, everybody, and hope you're going to have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. That's what Lexi and I are planning. And this morning, it occurred to me that my brain segments certain things based on some of the most arbitrary criteria. So yesterday's show, of course, was about sexism and the very broad stroke. You know, girls are raised to think they have permission to do certain things, and boys are raised to think they have permission to do a different set of things, and how actually difficult it is to break out of that set to where girls can think, you know, I can play football if I want, I just have to go out for the team, and if I have enough muscle and I'm willing to be beat around, then I ought to be able to try out and see if I have the ability to do it. Likewise, you know, boys are raised not to cry, but we know that tears have those corticosteroids in them, and that if you cry, you're actually getting stress out of your body, and that's probably a good thing for anyone to do, boy or girl, man or woman. And so I'm refining this whole concept and realizing that by doing this video show, I get to wear the hat or take on the mantle of being a journalist. And in my world, a journalist has built-in fact permission to walk up to strangers on the beach and ask them what they're doing without it being a rude intrusion or a big interruption. Of course, it could be done rudely, but that's not my style. But I really love now coming down to the beach, like yesterday, and seeing this group of kids that I don't usually see, and not being afraid to walk over to them and say, hey, what are you guys doing? This is me and this is what I'm doing. And to find out a little bit more about my world and to connect with the people that are right here in my own environment. So the tide's coming in. I'm going to have to get out of here so my mic doesn't get wet. But I invite you this weekend to see what you might try on if you knew that you had permission to do that and that it would be okay. What might you try that your number two yammers away at you and says you're not allowed to do that because you're not a this or a that or this or that? So we're going to have a special show for you tomorrow. We're going to do something a little bit different, so I hope you'll tune in and let me know what you think of it. And as always, we appreciate a vote at Podcast Alley. We're doing great this month and really appreciate all of your support. So have a wonderful weekend. Give me your troubles. I'll take them out to sea. Love you and aloha. Oh, Skype. I forgot to tell the Skype. In case you're new, if you want to Skype us on the conch shell, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. Or if you want to call the conch, you can dial 949-544-1456. Bye-bye.